Hey Jotformers! This November, we're all about relationships. Customer relationships, that is. That's why we're bringing you news focused on CRM, Customer Relationship Management Software. To kick things off, we launched Pipedrive, a simple and easy-to-use CRM. With Pipedrive, teams can collect important sales lead information and automatically funnel it into their account for easy organization and tracking. And if Pipedrive isn't your thing, we have 9 other CRM integrations to choose from. Some examples of our CRM integrations include HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho. And as a side note, we made some user-requested updates to Zoho, so be on the lookout for those. This month, we also spoke with user Mike Spikes to learn how the organization uses Jotform and Trello to drive sales. Mike Spikes connected Jotform and Trello to collect customer information and have it automatically populate into their Trello account, which they use as a nifty CRM. Lastly, if you want to learn more about all of the CRM business, be sure to check out our guide, What is CRM? That's it for this month. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.